Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be going over a few templates for the mock-ups. Some of you have asked, like, what are mock-ups? What are they used for? Pretty much it's a way to preview or display your items that you're selling without actually having to spend money on supplies and actually, go through the hassle of making a real life version of it. So it's best to already have the items done. I just did these really quickly, you guys. So the first one I'm going to do is the cupcake toppers, and as you see, it already has a little toothpick, there. So only thing I would need to do, if I already have my cupcake toppers made and I want to display them, you know how they're going to look. Let me just copy it. Go over here. Now let's paste it right on. Go ahead and put that cupcake topper right on. Center it, make it look right. And that is pretty much all you are doing for the cupcake toppers is, copy and pasting your own work to the items to pretty much give the buyer a preview of what it's going to look like. So that's pretty much the cupcake toppers. Okay, let's go ahead and erase this and let's move on to, what would these be called? Food tags? Thank you tags? Not really sure. I'm not sure if I gave you guys this mock-up template, but I'll repost it again. Again, if you already have the tags made up, all you want to do is just copy it. Let's go on over to here and let's go ahead and paste it to fit this size. So it might have to stretch it out some, or you can shrink the photo down, whichever one. Uh-oh. Alright, let's go over a little bit. And that's pretty much all you're doing with that. It's the same thing. You're just giving them, honey, you're just giving them a preview of what it's going to look like. Now for the lip balm. Let's go ahead and move on to the lip balm. So let's erase all of this and let's move on to the lip balm. Now I have not used this template for the lip balm, so I'm doing this for the first time myself. But let's say, for example, if we have this, this picture, this image. Now let's move along over to here. Now the only thing this is going to show is the front of the lip balm. That is pretty much it. So it really wouldn't show these sides, so I might actually crop this down just a little bit. Where's my crop button at? Oh no, why is it not highlighted? Why can't I crop it? Okay, I first have to save it as a picture, so let's save it as a picture. Let's just say mini pick, I don't know, mini pick 1. Okay, save it in my downloads. Now let's insert pictures, and we're going to go to, where's the mini? Download right here. Okay, now we are able to crop this bad boy, because these sides, this is pretty much what the back is going to look like, so I don't really need that much. Okay, so now I can stretch this out some more. So now you have a visual for what the lip balm is going to look like. And that's pretty much how you do the lip balm. Now, I do have a chip bag one. Let me see. I do not have... Now, for the chip bag one, a lot of people usually do this in, what is that called? Photoshop. And they use like PSD because it will automatically, I guess, from what I'm understanding, wrap the picture around the chip bag, which is amazing. But me myself, I really, I have not messed with Microsoft. I mean Microsoft. Lord have mercy. I have not messed with Photoshop at all. So what I do for mine, if I use that, let me just go ahead and just hold control and shift and not shift. Why would I say shift? Okay. Group that all into a picture. Save it as a picture. Minecraft pic. I don't know. Alright, and it's saved in pictures. Okay, perfect. And then what I'll do is I'll come over here, insert the picture that I just saved of the chip bag. Let's go to pictures first. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is get the front of this chip bag. So let me just go ahead and crop this down to where all I have, is the front of the chip bag, which is this right here. Because the rest of it is the back. So, yeah. So this is the front of my chip bag. So I'm now pretty much going to place it still a little bit slanted, but you guys get where I'm going with this. Let me just stretch it out just a little bit. I'm pretty sure it's probably easier way, but this is just the way I do it. And this is pretty much what I do. Now let me see if I can uncrop this. Let me see. Yes, I can. Okay. Now you do the exact same thing for the back. Did it crop that? Yes, it did crop that. And like I said, you're doing the exact same thing. So, yeah. You're just putting each side on here one at a time, and I don't know what else to say, because that's pretty much all you're doing. Now let's crop it to this side. I promise, like, once you do it like 2 or 3 times, you will definitely get the hang of it. It will be easy. It might seem like a lot to do right now or a long process, but I assure you it's not that bad. It's not that bad. And then, of course, as you know, when you fold the chip bags, it does give you that white line in the middle, so that is realistic, and that's pretty much how I do it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I love hearing from you guys, and as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.